Hi everyone. So today we will learn the very basics of Dynamo, which is the selection of any kind of a element which is there in your Revit environment in the Dynamo. So if you want to open the Dynamo dialog box or Dynamo window, you can go to Manage tab and then there is an option of Dynamo here. So it will automatically open up a Dynamo window in your Revit screen. Then you can simply click on New. After that, there would be a workspace, or I would say the model space, which is there in the Dynamo window, and there are some commands which is listed here. These commands can also be extracted if you right click on the workspace and type out anything, and it will give you some commands. Okay, so the first very basic, as I mentioned earlier, if you want to select any kind of a element which is there in your Revit environment, you can type select model elements. Okay, so select model element, you will get two types of commands. The first one is select model element, and then the second one is select model elements. So there is a very basic difference in between these two. The first one is to select only the single element, and the second command is to select more than one element, or basically selecting multiple elements at a time. So I will show you both of these. I will write it down, select model elements. Okay, so if I click on this, I can only select one at a time. I cannot drag select, I can select only one model element. But if I click on this, I can simply drag and select like this, and all the four walls are being selected. As you can see here, only one element ID is written. Here, four element IDs are written. Okay. Otherwise, if you want to select all the walls in the project, okay, imagine if you want to select any element of particular category. Let's say if you want to select all the walls in the project, so you can type out all elements of category. Okay, but here you need to define the category. So you will write categories. And if I select walls here, okay, and then if I join here to here, so it will automatically show me four walls, and these walls are basically selected in your Dynamo environment.